Question: what do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. A red poppy. B. A green shirt. C. A black tie. D. A white shirt. The answer is A. A red poppy. Question: when is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st. B. October 6th. C. November 11th. D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question: where do the majority Métis live in Canada? A. Central Canada. B. The North. C. Prairie Provinces. D. The Maritimes. The answer is C. Prairie Provinces. Question: what are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties. B. Opposition parties. C. Rival parties. D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question: which province in Canada is the smallest in plan size? A. British Columbia. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Alberta. D. New Brunswick. The answer is B. Prince Edward Island. Question: one-third of all Canadians live in which province? A. Saskatchewan. B. Quebec. C. Alberta. D. Ontario. The answer is D. Ontario. Question: which region is known as the industrial and manufacturing heartland of Canada? A. Atlantic Provinces. B. Prairie Provinces. C. Central Canada. D. West Coast. The answer is C. Central Canada. Question: which of the following is not a responsibility of Canadian citizen? A. Learning to speak both official languages. B. Voting in elections. C. Obeying the law. D. Taking responsibility of oneself and one's family. The answer is A. Learning to speak both official languages. Question: what is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal. B. Elizabeth Cross. C. Victoria Medal. D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: which was the last province to join Canada? A. Prince Edward Island. B. Manitoba. C. Newfoundland. D. Yukon. The answer is C. Newfoundland. Question: what is a major river in Quebec? A. Hudson Bay. B. Niagara. C. Fraser River. D. St. Lawrence River. The answer is D. St. Lawrence River.